Hi, I'm Arzu, and I'm here to teach you new Generative Shape Fill feature of Adobe Illustrator. Begin designing the poster by importing a reference photograph and design asset into your Illustrator document. According to the composition in your mind, place a circle on your design asset and transform the sides of the circle. To activate the feature, simply click the Shape and Shape Fill button in the contextual taskbar. Through the View All settings, you can edit your prompt to generate something different. Play with the shape strength value to adjust how closely the variation matches the shape, and add a reference asset matching style. Once you have done all settings, you are ready to generate. At the same time, you can generate variations of your vector from right sidebar. Once you have chosen the one you like most, you can continue with fine-tuning and poster composition steps on an A4 artboard. Designing an illustration of a perfume bottle has never been this easy before through Generative Shape Fill. After took the style of this illustration, you can generate various versions of your perfume bottle and place it wherever you want on the poster. Type the captions for the poster and choose a bespoke font style. Easily add aesthetic touches to your poster with Generative Fill feature. Let a simple shape define the object and let your words guide you to the final drawing. Complete your composition by simply deleting unwanted vector shapes. Here is the result. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more creative insight and tutorials. Happy designing!